Serye ngayon ay pagluluto ng experimented lechong paksiw. So, itago mo yung ano, itago mo yung mas. Okay ka?
Para talagang tunay na ano, buhay mo sa ano.
So, makikita nyo, pinuputol natin ng mga spare ribs. Pero bago natin ito pinuputol, nilaga muna natin siya. Nilaga natin siya ng mga 3 oras. Sa whole black pepper, bawang, sibuyas, at laurel. So yan. After this, we are going to deep fry. And now we're going to pour oil on the, ano tawag dito?
Pot.
Pot. Yan, tama-tama, malinis ang kitchen. Wala ebidensya. We're now going to put the pork, spare ribs. Yum, yum! So we're now putting the second batch. Wow! Galing! So mga kaibigan, ngayon po ay ating binigisa ang baboy sa bawang. Pagkatapos nito, ano namin natin? Lagay na natin. Okay na.
Sama na yan.
So after this, we're going to put the magic.
Pasalamat ka muna sa mga tuwan.
First, I would like to thank our sponsor.
Mali yung hawak mo naman doon.
Mang Tomas. The magic recipe. Magic Mang Tomas. Kailangan lagyan natin ng vinegar, na? So, ito ititimpla natin.
Ito na yung konting tubig.
Ito yung pinakamalina.
Yan na yung pinakamahina.
Some vinegar. And then mix. Mix po natin ang TH lechong paksiw. Wow! Looks good naman. Wow! Second recipe for the day is pasta in oil and garlic. So I'm going to put down the pasta in the boiling water. Kaya ko lang siya. Ooh! Wow! Kasya kaya siya?
Kasya.
Wow. So while we are cooking the pasta, we have to multitask. We're going to mince garlic for the pasta in oil and garlic. So naturally, we need to have garlic in the recipe. Yeah, that's the way to do it. So this is masters in cooking. In Japan. Masters in cooking in Japanese.
Cooking development.
Mincing the garlic. We are going now to pitas-pitasin ng mushroom. So, this is my favorite mushroom. Fungi. Di ba sabi nito?
Ano?
May mga fungi. So, una sabi ko, ano? So now we're going to pour olive oil in the pan. Just a reminder, we need to use olive oil for the pasta in olive oil. What's that? Okay. Here, now we're going to put the garlic. Very easy. Very, very easy. Food to cook. We'll put now after this, we're going to put the mushroom.
Okay.
Ay, salt, sorry, some salt. Parsley. I'm going to put some crushed pepper to add some spice. And then, excuse me, maybe you know the garlic is not enough. You have to put some garlic powder.
Philippines.
And then sukoshi basil.
Sukoshi.
And then brown pepper later.
Moral supporters.
So after that, sarap naman ito. Hindi naman. So we are putting freshly ground
Where do you
pepper.
get these things?
And then after this, we're going now to put some noodles. Yay!
Is it noodle
Spaghetti.
or spaghetti?
You're right.
Live audience.
What do you think? More noodles?